Howdy, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees in Hopkins, South Carolina. It is January the 4th, 2021. It is 2:45. It is about 58 degrees out here right now. So we're going to take a look and see at this. Y'all have seen the way I feed them and how they act and react. We've still got this one strapped down because of the weather we've been having. I see a roach. There are the girls. Let's see, can y'all see that? Yeah, pretty much. Okay, let's go find us a queen. Oh, that noise is them overflying my airplanes around. Okay, here's one that's got a little capped honey here. Down here is drone cells, which they'll be putting drones in or more honey. And that side over there doesn't have much of anything, so we're just going to set it off to the side here. This one is pollen up here, little pollen down there, some nectar, and this is capped honey. This is capped honey, and that's about it on that one. Bottom looks okay. Getting a little cool out here for them. There's Queen. She's looking for a place to lay eggs. We have eggs in there. We have larvae in there. We have brood on this side. So she's doing good. We have brood here. A little bit of larvae. We have brood on this side. And pollen. And that's an empty frame. So I may be giving these bees here a little bit more food as far as honey and sugar syrup, which I'd rather give the honey, was probably what I'll do, because I don't like giving bees sugar syrup in cold weather. And that's it, because it's getting a little cool out here now. I'm in the shade. Bees are in the shade. They don't like it. But give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe. We appreciate it. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Y'all have a great one.